This cup and lid and straw set came from Amazon in a pack, and it is so cute. I really like it for iced coffee, especially on the go since it has the lid, and I actually used it to customize them, and I customized them myself with me and my friends' names on them. So it doesn't come with the name, but the glasses themselves are super cute. They aren't too big, so they fit in cup holders. Super great for, like I said, on the go, whether it's water, iced coffee, pop, LaCroix, whatever you want. But I would highly recommend it. They also are dishwasher safe, which is really nice. The lid isn't, but the glass and the straw both are. So yeah, comes in a pack, super cute, super aesthetically pleasing, especially if you want to gift them or just have all the same glasses in your cupboards.